How's it going, guys? It's Callie, the How-To Guy 123 here, and today I'm just going to be scraping the barrel for content and making an unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well. I'm gonna have to, it's kind of backwards on my camera here. I'm gonna have to flip it in After Effects, or in Premiere Pro. But anyways, we're gonna be unboxing the Switch Lite. I decided after quite a while of this being out to pick one up. I've owned many Nintendo consoles in my childhood. I owned the Game Boy Advance, the GameCube, and the Wii. But the thing is, when I own these consoles, and I still own the Wii, I mostly played third-party games and not actually the Nintendo exclusives. And the thing with the Switch is most of the games on here are Nintendo exclusives, so I wasn't sure if I'd actually be really want the Switch, because I've never really been a big fan of like Mario Kart and all these Nintendo exclusives. So I decided I wasn't sure if I'd actually really want the Switch for these games. But anyways, I decided to pick one up for my long commute to school every day. And yeah, we're just going to do an unboxing video. I decided to get the Lite over the normal Switch just for that reason that I'm not a big Nintendo fan, so I wasn't sure if I was actually gonna like it. So decided to get the Switch just because it's cheaper. Plus, I don't really think I'd be using the TV features. I'm mostly going to be using the portability of the Switch anyways, so I didn't really need the TV features. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna just shut up and let's actually open this. So I got the turquoise Nintendo Switch here, and you guys can see that. And also got a 64 gigabyte SD card, micro SD card, and I also picked up Mario Kart. Let's go ahead and open this. So you just slide it out here. It's the right side open up. You open it the other side. The tab there. Alright. And we're just gonna. Alright, I think I opened it up. I opened it up the wrong way. Oh yeah, here's the box. I didn't really show it off. There's like I mentioned, got the turquoise one. On the back of the box is just the back of the Switch, and yeah, got a really weird filming setup here. The Switch there, and on this tab, get that out of the way, and on that tab, it's that. Okay, I guess we'll just put this to the side. I opened it upside down, so I'm gonna flip it up like that. Hope you guys can see that. So first we got the console itself. Here's the console itself, and I guess we'll just unwrap this plastic, put that aside. Switch feels pretty good. The sticks, the buttons. I guess we'll touch screen, game card, and yeah, I guess we'll just move that to the side. Let's continue on with the rest of the box. Put this up, and we just got some information there, which just I guess how to set up your Switch. Probably won't be reading that. Wall charging, that's important, so we can charge it. And that's basically it. Nothing much going on there. So as you can see, we got the Switch here. I'm not really going to be doing a review. I'll just turn it on to show it to you guys. But we can see that the Joy-Cons are not detachable. It's all fixed on the system. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the Nintendo Switch right now. I've only held one of these once, and I have to say, it feels like a really good console. We'll turn that on in a second. Before we do that, we're probably going to want to open this, our memory card, micro SD card. And I wasn't sure if you actually needed to get an official Nintendo SD card. I'm not sure if you can just pick up like one you'd use for like a camera, but I think you want it to be a Nintendo one because it needs to be, the speed of the memory card needs to be fast enough to run games. So yeah, here's the packaging. You got a Link from Zelda on the front of the packaging there. 64 gigs and up to speed of 100 megabits or megabytes per second, and 60 megabits or megabytes per second rate. And it's also really cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'll try and focus on there. Here, I'll actually, you know what, open it up first because it's got a Zelda design on the card. There we go. God, my desk is a mess. Okay, there we go. So yeah, there's the memory card, 64 gigs. Got a Zelda logo on it. Looks pretty cool. It's white, and a Nintendo Switch logo as well. Let's pop this in. So where does it go in the system? So I think it goes right there. So we pop this open. Which way does this go? Oh, not that way. Yeah, there we go. Clicks in there. And we snap that there. And then let's actually try and turn this on, which I don't actually know how to do that. Oh, click the power button there. You can see Nintendo, oh, it went away. Yep, Nintendo Switch. I gotta get a cameraman. Alright guys, so we got the setup here. I'm pretty much just gonna go through this all on my own, so I guess I'll be back once I've done that. So I'm having a little bit of trouble connecting to my internet. I'm not sure what it is, but the thing is, this happens to me a lot with game consoles. Like when I bought my Xbox One S, I had the same issue. I think it might be my router. Let me see if I can figure this out. Alright, there we go. So I just connected to my 5 gigahertz, and it seemed to work fine. One thing I'm noticing is I'm so used to like Xbox controllers and PS3 where this is like enter, where, oh, you guys can't see it, where the B button, or usually it's like A or X, is like confirm. So I'm always pressing it instead of, and actually going backwards. Alright, so the setup is complete. Oh, and there's a system update, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that as well. Alright, so I just finished the system update. It actually only took like 30 seconds, and now it's just asked me to basically, let's see if you guys can see it. I need to get a cameraman. So basically just tell me now to, insert a game and start playing. I probably want to charge this up soon, so now I'll just put that to the side, and let's take a look at Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Here, I'll zoom out for you guys. Here we go. So first we gotta take off the packaging. Puncture a hole in that. Just open this up, I probably need to get a carrying case for my Switch and all of the games, especially. So that's actually really cool. You got so this is the game cartridge there. It'll focus pretty well. And then you got all the controls you need in the case here. I guess instead of actually providing a manual, which is good to know because I've only played Mario Kart at friends' houses, so it's been a while. So now we put the game card in here. Okay, so which way does it go? So I'm assuming this way. So just slides in there. Overall, the console feels very sturdy, and there we go. It reads Mario Kart there. Yeah, overall the console feels pretty sturdy and feels really nice to hold in the hand. So yeah, I'm just gonna start this up. I'm not really gonna do a review or anything. Maybe in the future once I actually have some experience with the console. And you're selecting me. And you got single player, online, which you need a subscription to play online, which I don't have yet. Single player and all that jazz. And I won my first game, which is pretty cool. So far, the console's been pretty good, and I'm looking forward to continue playing it. And maybe I'll do a review on it. I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was mostly just to get content out on my channel. It's been a while. I've been pretty busy with school, as well as I also wanted to test out my new camera I got a few months ago. I haven't really had too much of a chance to try it out, and I've only made one video on it. But anyways, let me know how the quality is of the camera, and overall how you like this video. I want to do more unboxing videos maybe in the future. I know the camera angle is kind of awkward here. I didn't really have any table to film on, so I'm just filming on my desk here. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.